Okay, great. So this is a sediment trap from the Oceanic Flux program, and so these sediment traps are used to collect falling material through the ocean, which is really important for understanding the cycling of chemical elements in the ocean, like carbon and nitrogen, and it's also important for understanding how the ocean responds to atmospheric weather events, and understanding the ocean's response to pollution, and finally understanding how the ocean, or how sediment makes it from the top of the ocean to the bottom of the ocean, which is really important for geologists who are trying to reconstruct past ocean events. So this sediment trap system is designed to collect falling material as it falls through the water column. It enters and goes through the honeycomb structure. It travels through the funnel and right down, and is collected in one of the cups down here. And so these cups are designed to rotate every 2 weeks so that we can collect another group of sample material. And we have enough cups so that we can deploy these systems in the ocean for 4 months at a time before we need to retrieve the funnels to collect the cups, bring them back to the lab to analyze them, and put new cups on the system, and then redeploy this in the ocean.
How long does that stay down when you put it down in the ocean?
4 months at a time.
4 months at a time. So you put it down and go back and get it.
Correct. That's what I'm here for right now. So this trap is going to be rotated in, because we rotate a trap in to keep the system, functioning properly, and so this trap will be going into the ocean at 3,200 meters depth. So that they're down there for 4 months, and so we go out to sea and we use some acoustical technology to release the sediment trap mooring, because they're all on one. They're basically all on one mooring, and then we take them onto the ship. We take the cups off. We service these, because these instruments are subject to a lot of physical and chemical stress in the deep ocean, and we want to make sure that they're in good shape before we put them back in the ocean. So after they're serviced, then we put new cups on, new empty cups on, and then we redeploy the system in the same location in the ocean so that it can continue collecting samples for another 4 months before we need to return again. And in the course of those 4 months, while the system is collecting samples, we're back in the lab analyzing those samples for their chemistry and their biology to try to understand this chemical composition of the falling material through the ocean.